Hey there, I'm Keith from Classic Photographers, and I just want to take a few minutes to show you how easy it is to book a wedding photographer and package right on classicphotographers.com. So when you're on the home page or any page, you can go up to our menu item here and go to photo packages, and you can see all of our different packages here. So these are photography only. This is photo and video. There's some more combo packages here. There's also video only packages down here. So you can take time, look through all that. Probably our most popular package is the Just Photography Plus. It comes with a second photographer this month with the promo code. I'll show you how to apply that. It's 8 hours of coverage, both photographers including those 8 hours. You get all the high resolution images with digital reprint rights, so you can download them all, print them wherever you want. You also get an online gallery that'll be edited and ready within 30 days, and you can share that to yours. You can also print from there as well. And we also have a monthly payment plan, so I'll show you that as well. So you can use either one of these buttons, View Special, Book Now, and this is where you get started. So, here's the promo code for this month. So I'm going to copy and paste that. If you have a different one, you could always type it in at the end. But fill out your name, email address. This will help make your account. Phone number. Wedding location. Okay, so you'll see a list will show up. So you need to select from that list. So this part, could be kind of tricky, but you'll see here, you can put that in. Sometimes you'll see multiple. You could also type in the location and it'll give you, so if you don't know your zip code, you could do that. Okay, and then it'll give you all your different options. Okay, and then select your wedding date. So if you click here, you get the calendar, and I can scroll through, check availability. And what this will do is it'll show you all the photographers available for your date and location. So right now it's checking our calendar system, and you can see here, you could either continue to the checkout or select photographer now. So if you do select photographer now, you can go through, you can look at different profiles. Landon is one of my favorites. So you can check this out here. You can look at his profile. You can also have the option to select him now or decide later. If you decide later, you can always select your photographer after you book. You can also favorite your photographers if you want to come back to them later, and you see I'll add them up there, so I can favorite a few. Or I could view their full profile by clicking this view button. Okay, and I'm going to select Daria here, or I could decide later, either way. So let's just, for the sake of this, select the photographer so we can show you how that shows up on your order. And from there, you'll see the full package price. You see your photographer here. I'm going to put in that promo code and apply it. And you'll see the price changed. We also, you can see your pay schedule with that monthly payment plan I told you about. So it's $39 as a down payment, and that's broken into monthly payments from here into your wedding date. Okay. And from there, you can pay by a credit card, or you can pay with PayPal. We also have the option to pay with a bank account. So pretty cool. You can put that information in, and then your photographer will be booked. You can change your payment schedule here ahead of time too. You can have auto pay, so it'll just auto charge, whether your card or PayPal or bank account, if that's how you want to do it. If you want to log in once a month and make that payment, you could do that here, or you could pay in full at the time of booking. Either way, and you see the promo code still here. You could always change your photographer or change your package if you want to as well. So we can go back and change photographer. And let's say I change my mind and I really want to go with Landon. I can select him and come back here. You'll see my promo code still applied, and I can put in my credit card information, pay now, and it'll reserve the package and the photographer you selected. So super easy. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, and we look forward to helping you with your wedding. Thanks. Bye.